Hey guys, it's DJ Yo's 101 and today I have another Penpal library, you guys, that I am opening. I got one from my friend Heather.
Yeah, and I just want to say I am terribly so sorry, Heather, that I got this little, like what I'm saying is like, I am so sorry that I couldn't get my letter to you on time, as your letter got here really early, and yeah, so here's the letter. I covered up all like the personal info and stuff, like, you know, and it kind of ripped when I got it on the mail, which I felt really sad, and as you can see, like, it's super cute, so yeah, we should start opening it. So I really hope I didn't, like, break anything, I hope. So yeah, I have my trusty dandy here, so let's get opening. Sorry. Okay, so let's get opening into this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's so much. Okay, wow. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, something fell. Okay, something fell. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wait, there might be something for someone here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm in tears, but like, aside like in this part, like, this is so cute. I really like it. Like, so sticker, it's so cute. I really like it. I don't know if you can see it. Right there, it's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. Okay. Oh my god, so this, you guys, there's a Washington sample and it has like really adorable patterns. I really like this one a lot. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so cute. I really like it. Oh my god. Oh my god, Heather, thank you so much. And we got a Kyungsu. Hey, look. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god, this is. I can't. Like, I'm just getting a song segmentation list. Oh god, I can't recognize all the characters. Oh, I mean, like, idols. Not characters, but it's idol. Oh my goodness. I can't recognize. Is it like a really old picture of a character? Again, not character. Idol. I'm gonna get roasted. Okay, I better not say anything, but I'm pretty sure from NCT. I'm just gonna leave it out there for you guys to start listening there. Oh my god, Jinjin! What is it? No, this is MJ. I'm getting confused. Okay, because MJ and Jinjin, for some reason, I mix them up a lot. I don't know why. Because of what's short, and I love them. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Janya! I'm sorry. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god, are you guys seeing this? He's so cute. Oh my god, this is so precious. She knows, TRCNG, yes, TRCNG, yes. Jinjin, okay, it was, okay. I freaking love her. What the heck? Oh my god. I am so spoiling you, stop. Jinjin, you got Moon Vinny, oh my god. Heather, you can't do this. BTS, of course, because that's my boys, that's me. Oh my god, they look so freaking pretty. Oh my god. I'm sorry, whenever I see Kyungsu, I'm just like, I'm in tears. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my god, Shumin! She just spoiled me. I hate her. Oh my god. Shumin! Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I hate her. But I love her too. I love her. I absolutely love her. Oh my god. Stop! Oh my god, stop spoiling me. No, I should be the one doing this to you. Stop. Oh my goodness. I can't tell who this one is. Is this BTS? I can't tell. But oh my god. Oh my god. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my god. BTS. Baekhyun. Oh my god. Yes! Killing me! I can't! You can't do this to me! Oh my god. And which one is this? What? Is this? What? Wait. Is this like a band card? Or is this like... What? Oh my god. Wait, is this official? But oh my god, my boy Kyungsu. Oh my god. Everything like... You see, it's gonna cut off. What the heck? Oh my god.
Don't, no. Heather. Oh my god, oh my god, she's literally the sweetest. Oh my god, I can't with you, Heather. You can't. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Oh my goodness. Don't think I'll hold back. Just say no, Heather. I love you. I absolutely love you. Oh my goodness. I will read your letter right after, but oh my god, you are, you spoiled me. No, this is not allowed. This is not allowed, Heather. This is not allowed, okay? Okay, this is not allowed, okay? We're gonna have some major problems if I can't spoil enough, okay? Alright, Heather, thank you so much. Oh my god. I swear, this is Heather again, and I'm gonna kill her. Oh my god. She is a wonderful person, and we've been talking very actively to each other. And oh my god, oh my god, she's just, look at this, you guys. Look what she sent. Like, this is huge, and like I know these are quite expensive too. So I'm gonna, oh my god, I don't know where to even start. Like, she taped it all up. Oh my god. Okay. So I guess this is where I open it now. I don't know how to open it because.
Because I'm not in my regular setup either, so I have no idea. I'm just gonna start from the bottom since that's not heat. So sorry, Heather.
Oh my god, I swear, Heather. Oh my god, she did not know how to do this. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. This is so much. Oh my god. Oh my god, this girl is so crazy. Okay, I'm gonna be sure that I didn't leave out anything or show my address here or my address. Oh my god, I actually never had this. This girl, I'm gonna try this. Oh my god, do you see that? Oh my god. I'm gonna try that. Janyo, oh my god. I'm gonna kill her. I'm gonna kill her. Ah! And I did not mean that literally, you guys. Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh my god. Are you seeing this, you guys? It's coming. It's my baby. It's my child. And is that Lucas? I can't tell. I can't tell anymore at this point. I'm gonna. Oh my god. Okay, I got these. Oh my god. What the heck? She went overboard. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel so bad. Oh my god. I feel so bad. Oh my god. My baby Hanu. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. There's more. I'm gonna kill her. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill her. I have been saying it for the past few times. Guys, do you not see what this girl has been doing to me? Oh my god. Oh jeez, I'm gonna kill her. These are beautiful washi tapes. I'm gonna definitely use them. I can't breathe. This is like literally just killing me at this point. What the heck? What the heck? Is she trying? Oh my god. What the heck? This is so precious. So precious. So precious. Oh my god. She said, it's not even the end. Oh my god. Oh no, my god. Oh my gosh, Stray Kids. Oh my god. I recently just got into them, but like I don't know all the names, so I'm sorry. Oh, sad. Oh my god. Oh my god, my heart. Oh. And she sent me some anime. Yuri on Ice. Victor. Oh my god. So pretty. Look at this artwork. Do you guys see that? I'm gonna freaking... Look at this candy. I'm gonna try some of this. This is... And then this is her letter, which I'm gonna open up really quickly and see. I'm gonna read this later, because right now I'm gonna freaking kill it. So she sent me a playlist, and it's so cute. Now I'll read in depth later after this. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill her! Oh my god, this is so much stuff, and I'm gonna definitely try out this hot chocolate. And like, oh my god, look at these extras. I'm gonna kill her. God. Okay, I'm gonna try this in a little bit. Oh my god. What the heck? And like, I don't know if I'm supposed to. Look at that little drawing. That's so cute. Oh my god, this girl is the level of extra. I'm gonna write her. I'm gonna send her so much stuff, and she's gonna complain to me, and then we're gonna just do this together. Heather. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet, and I know that she has and exams, and I understand. Oh my god, it's okay, Heather. I'm gonna tell you in this video right now.
It is okay. It takes your time. Okay. Oh my gosh, this girl is so. She went to the point of like, what? Okay. I'm gonna calm down. Okay. Taking a deep breath and exhaling it too. Okay.
That is it for this video, and oh my goodness, thank you to Heather, aka Velvet Purple Cloud, and oh my god, everything about it is so cute, and I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna calm down. Alright, I'm done. Alright. Okay, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my friend Heather, because this girl is so extra. Gosh, look at this, you guys. Look at this girl is so extra. Okay, alright, okay. Bye guys. Bye.